are you also?
I'm I'm well. I'm
Okay,
very
okay.
well. Good. We getting a chance to speak. That's good.
Okay, okay. Uh, Actually, I think you are just forget today. We have the meeting also, so that's why I'm
Mm,
just knocking to you on the WhatsApp platform. Yeah.
yeah.
Yes,
I
yes.
didn't even know actually. When you sent me the message, that's when I was like, I have a meeting today. Okay,
Yeah.
well, I forgot. Yeah.
Okay.
So thank you for sending me the email.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, most of the time, many person, I mean, forget for the business purpose. I mean, that's why. So
Okay. Okay.
whatever, no problem. Yes, you can explain about your issues and channel. I mean,
Okay.
challenges which you face nowadays. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure. Sure. So I've had my channel since 2016.
Uh,
And my channel focuses on two shows. It's all about Africa on the bench. And
yeah.
so I put videos at least once a week.
Hmm.
But what I noticed that my videos, although the content is okay, but the video isn't growing.
Hmm.
I know that there are techniques in having the video grow. There are things that we can do to have it grow, but
Yeah.
because I work so hard in putting the contents together,
Yes.
I don't have the extra energy to try to figure out how to grow the channel.
Yeah.
So I'm looking for people that would help me grow the channel organically.
Hmm.
Having people who would reach out to. So my audience are Africans are everywhere in the world, right?
Yes.
So I want to be able to reach out to reach. I want to be able to reach out to people in the U.S., in Africa, in Asia. It doesn't
Yes.
matter.
Yes.
Just
Yes.
but I want people that are organic, that would watch the content and like what they watch and connect with me.
Hmm.
And so that's what I'm looking for. I don't know if you are good with description, video description.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's
Okay.
part of what you do,
Hmm.
as well as SEO,
Hmm.
end screen. There's several other things that I know that is required to improve like visibility with the video. So I
Yes.
just
Yes.
want to hear what you have and what you're offering. So I've been speaking with people all week. So
Oh.
you're like my second person or third person now.
Okay.
Trying to connect, yeah, to see who can give me the best. What's it called? The best option
Yes. Yes.
to before I make my final decision. Yeah.
Yeah. I also check your I mean, check your channel, and that's why I just talk to you. What's the exactly issues nowadays you have? So that's why I just talking about these issues that time. Okay. So no problem. I just share my screen, and exactly I'm sharing the problem and challenges also. Mm. If I'm not wrong, this is your channels. Uh,
Yes, that's
yes,
me.
yes. So since 2 or 3 days, I totally check and I totally properly research on your channel and what you do and what you expect and all about I know. Okay, little bit, and I figure out what's the exactly problem you have. And like you have the major problem related to SEO. I mean, organic views, you don't have the organic views. I mean, what you want to expect, but you don't overcome this line also. So that's why you need to focus most important things. I recommend to you. You can modify the first of all your channel banner, because you know human beings always attract the attractive things. I mean, attractive, lookable, visible things. So that's why we need to focus firstly for the attractive things like thumbnail, banner. So it will be benefited for you in future. And after that, I will recommend to you the fix the SEO related problem, because SEO is the backend system, because it's the YouTube mechanism, backend mechanism. So that's why first of all visual mechanism, we need to focus on the visual mechanism, like you can say the thumbnail, the logo, the banner, and after that at the same time we need to focus on the technical system, I mean technical mechanism, that's called the YouTube SEO. Okay. You can see the your 3 days ago's video I just open. Yeah. Just a minute.
Sure.
Yeah. But I saw that your contents is really good, and it's a need to, I mean, reach the more people engagement, but I hope little bit lack of the technical system, so that's why you not able to reach this I mean this position. Yeah. So just a minute.
So you're saying why it's loading up? You're saying that the focus are first I have to focus on the video, the channel itself, right?
Yeah.
And then I have to focus on the channel itself, and then I have to focus on the
at the same time I also recommend to you
the channel, right?
Yeah. And I also recommend to, because YouTube is a this kind of mechanism works on YouTube. You need to focus on consistently, because here's the consistently, I mean consistent is the most important things. I hope you know also about this. I mean just a minute.
I do.
Yeah. Sorry for the delay, because nowadays I notice the some lack of the internet, so that's why it's take the time. Yeah. Just a minute. We can check this also.
So I'm going to post every Wednesday.
Oh.
So yeah, so that way it increase consistency.
Yes. And what is your uploading time? Actually, may I want to know?
I don't have an uploading time. I just, whenever I get the video out, I put it on. But I think that I think that there's a best time to upload. But I don't know what the best time is to upload. Yeah. So those are the things that I hope that we can figure out.
Yeah.
I think I would like to upload every Wednesday at 6 p.m. in the evening.
Oh, most of the content and the uploading.
I think
at
that's what I. Say that again.
Just a minute. Can you share your screen right now? It will be benefited, because
can I share my screen?
Yeah. It will be benefited, because here's the weather problem, so that's why network is little bit lacking. Okay.
Give me a second, okay? I'll have to use my let me see.
Oh, you are in the mobile phone?
I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, so I would have to use my what's it called? My what's it called? My laptop.
Oh, okay, okay.
So is it okay if we share screen, stop screen. Is it okay if I call you? Can I rejoin the call? Let me log out of this and use a different medium to log in. Is that okay?
Yes, yes, no problem.
Yeah. So I'll log out and I'll log back in, okay?
Hmm.
I don't even know. Okay. Dots. You have different options, but there's no shared screen here, so I don't know.
But I hope you need to.
Yeah.
Just a minute. I just send you the screenshot. Okay. I hope that's the benefited. Please open the link and you will see the a screenshot one, and where you can find the all setting. I just send you the meet message. Yeah.
Oh, that. Okay. I see it. Okay, let me go back. Oh man, look at it. It's staring at me. Give me a second, okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get off camera for a minute. Let me just quickly. Oh, it says I can't share screen. It says Google Chrome might not have screen recording permission on your computer. Go to system preference for more help. Okay, so I haven't set up the ability to share screen on my computer.
No.
I think that's probably why the problem is. Yeah. That's what the problem is, because usually it should be. Yeah. Okay, so what do we do now? Because I'm not able to share my screen.
Oh, you're not able to share your screen right now. Oh.
No, I haven't. I think I have to fix that with my computer.
Oh, okay, okay. So I hope it's a little bit problem. Just a minute. I'm sharing your screen, my screen. Are you seeing my screen now?
Yeah, I can see it. Not yet. I can't see it. Not yet.
Yeah. So your
Yes,
subscriber
I
is
can see it there.
2.17K, and how much content you upload still now?
So I do like once a week. Once a week. I
Okay,
try to do once a week, but I need to increase it to
okay, okay,
more than that a week.
okay,
But right now I'm trying to do once a week. The next one I'm posting would be on Friday.
okay. But here I also notice here about section. You don't have the about. I mean, you don't have the more content in about section, because small content is available here. Okay, I hope you know also. Mm, please see description. You don't have the I mean, here we can add the tag also and SEO related keyword also. That's why our channel will be targeted to the keyword, related to the keyword. Okay, so we need to work on this section also. Okay, and so let me know. So what do you want to, I mean, what do you want from me?
What do I want from you?
Hmm. Actually, if you want to start the work, I mean, with me. So what do you want actually? You want organic based service, and a paid base also.
Yeah, organic base. I think that because I do promote my stuff on
Oh,
Facebook.
okay. I mean,
So I want it to be organic. Yeah.
okay, just organic based YouTube SEO. I mean, keyword research, and as well as your channel. I mean, audit also, and and after that, you can say the thumbnail redesign also. So this type of related support you need. I I'm telling you about myself little bit. Okay, uh, in this digital marketing sector, I mean, I work since 3 or 4 years also. Okay, and especially I work YouTube and as well as Google Ads. Okay, I mean, you can say the YouTube organic specification, and as well as YouTube ads and Google ads for the service based industry, and as well as product based industry. And I have two or more service also, like Facebook ads, Instagram ads. So we are working in the four section: YouTube ads, YouTube SEO, and Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads. Okay, and we have agency also. And we work many projects with my international client like USA, Canada, and Australia based client also, and little bit, and two or three clients are running Egypt. You also know Egypt also. So here's my journey, I mean, online sector. So if you want to start with me and with us, so we can help you, no problem.